guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together the chocolate Elixir palette by I Love Makeup. I had no idea about this palette and Marie kindly asked me if I could do a review about this palette, and I got it. So if you want me to review any other products, let me know in the comments below. For today's video, I wanted to do a prom makeup look or a special occasions makeup look. If you want to wear this makeup look for every day, I don't judge you. In fact, I don't have anywhere to go today. I will just go to the mall. This palette contains 16 eyeshadows. 3 of them are shimmery and all the other are matte. We don't have any micro glitter and I like that. I don't like micro glitter everywhere on my face. The cost of it is €10.99 and it is cruelty free. If you're interested to see how I did this makeup look, just keep on watching. I always like swatching the eyeshadows on the back of my hand to see how I will wear the eyeshadows together, which eyeshadows look nice together, First of all, I will start with my brow bone highlighter and I will take the eyeshadow Vanilla and with an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I will apply it on my brow bone. So this eyeshadow is not very intense and I like that you can build the intensity and also it is very blendable. With whatever is left on my brush, I just blend the edges of my application. So I like the shade for my brow bone highlighter. It is very nice. And let's move on to our crease. I will take an eye blender brush by Essence and the eyeshadow Hot Tea and I will apply it into my crease and also I will try to blend it into my brow bone highlighter. That blends very easy and nice. I also blend it a little bit outwards. This is what I always like to do. I will apply a second layer to see if the color is buildable. As you can see, the eyeshadows are a little bit powdery, not a lot, but you need to tap the excess off. After that, I will take eyeshadow Red Velvet and I will apply it closer into my crease with a Zoevo brush, Luxe Eye Blender 225. Also use circular motions and to diffuse the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow blends very nice, guys. I will apply a second layer to intensify the color. Also, I will apply it a little bit upwards because I want to do a half cut crease with a glitter eyeliner. So I want this part here to be very dark. I will take again eyeshadow Hot Tea and I will blend the edges. I always cut my crease, not exactly where my natural crease is, but a little bit above it so it can be visible when I open my eyes. And because, as you can see, my eyes are a little bit hooded, also my eyes are not the same. So I will start with this eye because it is a little bit more hooded than the other one. I will take the brush 51 by Kiko Milano and also the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. I always like to apply a small amount of product on the back of my hand. And then I apply a lot of product on my brush on both sides like this. I like this brush because it becomes completely flat at the edges and this is what it will give me a very crisp line. I open my eyes and I cut my crease exactly where my iris is. I will also apply it on my eyelid and I will take a double-ended brush by Urban Decay. I got this one from the Nocturnal Shadow box and I will just blend the edges because I will do a half cut crease. The full cut crease effect on my eyes doesn't look very nice. I always prefer doing the half cut crease. And as you can see, my concealer has already creased, so very lightly just dab with your finger or you can also blend it with your small brush. I will use eyeshadow Creme Brulee all over my eyelid because I like shimmery shades and we apply it on top of the concealer so it will be more intense. With a small angle brush by Sigma, this is number E65, I will try to make my line a little bit sharper. I will take eyeshadow Red Velvet and I will try to make my line crisp. And with a smudging brush by Essence, I try to blend the edges. With an eyeshadow brush, I will take eyeshadow Red Velvet and I will apply it in my outer corner. And also blend very lightly with the previous color. The eyeshadows blend so easy into each other. Blend the edges. After that, I'm taking eyebrow brush by Essence, and I will take the eyeshadow Red Velvet and I will apply it all over my lower lash line. With a smudging brush by Essence, I will take eyeshadow Hot Tea and I will blend my lower lash line. I will use liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in Dating Joe Black. Now it's time to apply some glitter, and I will use the glitter eyeliner by Kiko Cosmetics in the shade 2. I also have the shade 1, which is a more greenish, bluish glitter. I love this one very much, and this is the first time that I use the silver, and I want to apply it in the inner part of my cut crease. Okay, that looks fantastic. That looks so cute! This is the first time that I do that, and I'm shaking a little bit because it's difficult. I love the glitter cut crease. I love it. I have done a unicorn glitter cut crease, but it was something completely different. I think this one is a little bit more difficult. I will link that video down below. If you like glitter eyeliner, you may like that one. For mascara, I will use the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics. This is how my lashes look with 2 coats of mascara and no mascara. This mascara makes my lashes so voluminous and curled and uplifted. I love this one. For my lips, I will use the matte lipstick by Essence in the color Natural Kiss. The packaging looks like a molten chocolate, and also the arrangement of the eyeshadows reminds me a lot the chocolate bar of Too Faced. It has a very mild scent of cocoa, but it's not very intense, and also if you apply the eyeshadows on your eyes, you don't smell anything. The names of the eyeshadows come on a plastic sheet. I would like to have the names on the back of the packaging. I mean, it is just a sticker, you know, it's not something very expensive, and it would be nice because you can lose this very easy, and for me it is even easier. If you like how my face looks, I have used the Create and Transform My Wonder Face Palette by Essence. I am also reviewing these products. I will link the video down below. With this palette we also get a double-ended sponge eyeshadow applicator. I will not throw it away, I will keep it for, you know, some special glitter applications. This eyeshadow palette is very affordable, and we also get a mirror. It is €10.99. The palette feels very firm. It doesn't feel like it will lose all of my eyeshadows. It is something that I can travel with and I can have it in my bag. I have swatched all of the eyeshadows. The matte shades are very creamy when I swatch them. Also, the matte shades that I have used on my eyes, they are very pigmented, very easy to blend, guys, and also to build the intensity as you have seen. We have only 3 shimmery shades in this palette: Creme Brulee, Vanilla and Sweet, and from the swatches you can also see that Sweet is not very intense. It's not that metallic effect that I like, but they blend very nice, and I like that we have a shade like Vanilla in this palette because I always like to highlight my brow bone with this type of eyeshadow. This is not going to be a review of the palette because I have only used 4 eyeshadows. I cannot review a palette that I didn't even use half of the eyeshadows, and I have used 4 eyeshadows for this look and I like them so much. I didn't have any fallouts when I was blending the eyeshadows. They are very pigmented, blendable, buildable. We have a nice variety of eyeshadows. You can create a lot of different makeup looks with these eyeshadows. Until now, I like this palette very much. My first impressions are happy impressions. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you want me to do more makeup looks with this eyeshadow palette, and also let me know in the comments below if you have already tested this palette and if you like it or not. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!